lovelies. So I just found out about this insane way to make money from home, and I had to share it with you. Imagine getting paid $100 just for testing apps and websites. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, I'm diving into how it works, so stay tuned because by the end of this video, you might just be a few bucks closer to your next coffee or that new game you've been eyeing. Lovelies, let's break this down. This website is basically super cool, where you can earn cash and gift cards by testing apps and websites. It's legit. All you need to do is sign up and you can start earning immediately. What's better? You get paid in cash, not in points. And oh boy, the withdrawal options are pretty flexible too. PayPal, Bitcoins, and a tons of gift cards. All right, I'm about to show you. And you probably want to know how much this actually is. Well, let me tell you, it's as simple as clicking a few buttons, which you're gonna be seeing. Like, if you can watch a video or scroll through Instagrams on your phone, you can test this app, okay? I mean, if I can do it, you too can. And the best part, you can do it in your PJ, in your pajamas. I did it yesterday at breakfast. Now let's see how it works. All right, my lovelies, we're on this wonderful, powerful platform called Free Cash. Yours truly, it's leaving a sign up link on the description and comment section. All right. First thing first is to sign up. Once you are here, it takes about 2 minutes. Seriously, just put in your email and create a password and boom, you are in. All right. And you can also link your social media account for extra goodies. Trust me, every little bit helps. Once you are in, all right, go to the offer section. You're gonna be seeing offers available. If I have time, I'll start taking these 3 offers, and I have opportunity to earn $262.12, as you can see. Next payout for $20, 0/20, because I haven't taken any today. Time is the culprit, but you can start this right away. If I find out things like this, nothing will stop me from bringing it to my lovelies. Should you have time, hop onto this and start winning. Look at that. 3 offers available and you can start earning. Look at here, it says play and earn $100, earn $10, earn $27. By the time you earn here, there, do you know how much you've made in a day? Why not give it a try? They've got service, they've got watching videos, and even playing games. There's tons of things you can do. All right? And now let's talk numbers. Each task you complete, as you can see, earns you anywhere from 50 cents, $1 to 100, and you get really into it, you can easily snag that $100 payout in a week or 2, as you could see here. All right? And what could be better than getting cash for something you do for fun? After all, some of us watch these videos and earn 0. Okay. I know what you're thinking. Is this safe? And can I trust it? Well, I did some digging, and Free Cash has a solid reputation and loads of positive user reviews. Just remember, always use your common sense. If it sounds sketchy, trust your gut, people. Thank you for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more money making tips, and share this video with your friends, your family. Who wouldn't want to earn a little cash here and there while chilling at home? Catch you in my next one. Before then, keep hustling and stay winning.